Hi everyone, my name is Shaylin Greer and I'm a senior biomedical engineering student at Florida International University. Today I have with me on my left Anna, our project lead, and on my right I have our STEM outreach coordinator, Claudia. Today we're going to be showing you guys a kidney model that you can easily do at home with a couple of household products. A lot of times as biomedical engineers we relate engineering to the human body, and that requires us to make models such as computational models using computer software, but we also do three-dimensional models such as this. So we can model different organs such as the heart, there are brain models, and today we're going to be showing you the kidney.
We also need coffee filters, like the ones over there, the white ones. We also need airline tubing. You can find that in any store. A funnel of that size approximately, and a container. Oh, and we also need modeling clay to develop this, and a lot of tape. So basically, this is going to represent our kidneys, 1 and 2, and this tubing is going to represent our ureters. The funnel is going to act as our bladder. So what we're going to do is grab some of the coffee. We're going to add it here. Okay. Once we have added the coffee, we'll add the water. The water and the coffee are going to represent our blood. Our blood at that point has arrived to our kidneys with some substances that our body doesn't really need. So we need to filter them out. And that's what the kidney's role is. We're going to proceed to add water.
So as you guys can see, we just added our water to our kidneys. So right now we have a combination of the water and also the coffee grounds, which makes a mixture that is then filtered through the coffee filters. In your actual kidneys, you also have different filters that create gradients that then filter out all the toxins, but also keep certain nutrients that you need. So this also helps the kidneys regulate things like your blood pressure. So what the kidneys essentially do is they separate the good toxins, or not toxins, the bad toxins, and the good substances that you do need, and help those to stay in the blood. So your blood goes through your kidneys, gets filtered, and then continues through the rest of your body. So as you can see, these two bottles are serving as our kidneys, and then the tubing is also serving as our ureters, and then the yellow container is serving as our bladder. So the bad toxins are combined with water, extra water that you don't need, and that water is filtered into your bladder, and then you urinate. So once again, through that process, your blood pressure is regulated, and so that's really important. A lot of times when people have high blood pressure, you can ultimately have issues with your kidneys. You can ultimately go into kidney failure. So your kidneys are actually a really, really important organ. And so yes, this is an easy model that you can do at home. And this models different processes. A lot of times in biomedical engineering, we want to know how well the gradients in the kidneys are working, because that's a very important aspect of the kidneys. And a lot of people that have kidney issues can sometimes use a process called dialysis, which essentially replaces their kidney function. Because that's a very important part of your body in filtering out your blood and making sure that you don't have toxins in your blood, and making sure that all the ions and whatnot in your blood are balanced. So we are Biomedical Engineering Society, and thank you so much for watching.